Hello everyone. So in my last video, we focused about all about append operation, append mode actually. In today's video, we will check about read mode. It is like read function with no parameter, then read with parameter, then read line, and again read lines. In this video, we will cover only two things. First of all, only read function with no parameter and as well as read with some parameter. Suppose I have one file that is f equal to open and we are opening dummy123.txt, but now not for append purpose. We are going to open that file in reading purpose. Okay, then obviously we will have one more variable so that when it will read, it will display that content on our output screen. So data equal to f dot and we are using read function. Okay, and then we will print those data and then f dot close. So we will remove all these lines. See, it is very simple and very easy only. So using read function, we are reading the data and it will get stored in which variable data, and then we are printing data and then again f dot close. So control S and F5. See, our message is there. Hello, hi, Saturday, cool day, everything it is reading from that file. And now coming to the one very minor modification or change, that inside the read function, if I give parameter, any number 5, 10, 15, 20, something like that. For example, right now I have given 5 and if I execute, okay. So earlier it was like full output, like each and every line and everything. But right now we are getting only the first 5 characters. So basically what is the meaning of read with parameter? It will read n characters. N means that 5, 10, 15, 20, anything. It will read n characters from the file. So that is all about read and read with parameter. In my next video, we'll cover read line and read lines function. Thank you.